last class we discussed up to whole wizard. Okay. Next we go for next options. Like here we have patterns, linear pattern, a circular pattern, this all is there. Now we will discuss that one. First of all, go to front plane and select a sketch here. Okay. Next, for example, I have one plate. This is my plate. Okay, in this plate I need to mention some holes. Okay, present I don't have anything. I will take one reference figure now. Just you can see this is my plate, for example. See, this plate length 250 and width 150. Okay, now here we have hole diameter how much? 25 hole diameter, 4 places. Okay, and this is position dimension. Okay, location dimension of the hole. This center to this center we have 90, and this center to this center we have 90, 190, 90. Now we can create this thickness of the model 30. You can go here. Okay, then you can mention here 250 dimension. Okay, next you can mention 150. Then you can do okay. Apply, extrude. Already we know our dimension are 30. You can mention here 30. Then finish. Okay, now you can select this one, go to sketch, control 8. Okay. Now in this model I need to mention here one hole. Okay, that hole dimension already we know 25, diameter of the hole 25. Now you can mention 25 diameter. At the same time you can check here we have our positioning 30 by 30, x of 30 and y offset 30. Now you can take here to here 30 distance. At the same time here to here 30 distance. Okay, then you can do finish. Now we need to do remove. This is whole feature. Now you can remove this one. Here we have extrude cut. You can select this one, remove directly up to 30. Okay, after creation of this feature, what we need to do means, first of all select this feature. Okay, when we selected this one, you can go this. Okay, here we have linear pattern. Linear pattern means we can create, just you can select this linear pattern. Now you can see asking direction 1 and direction 2. We need to specify direction 1 and direction 2. Direction 1 means you consider as a number of columns. Direction 2 means you consider as a number of rows. Okay, for example in this plate we need totally holes na? Here one, here one, here one. Okay, these 4 holes I need at array. Okay, already we mentioned this one. Now you can select direction. Direction means now we need straight direction, horizontal line direction. Now you can select reference this edge. This is our direction. Okay, when you selected this one, you can increase your distance. Already we know this distance now 190 position. Okay, now you can see if you have it out, you can this hole to this hole we have 190. At the same time this hole to this hole we have 90. Now you can mention direction to this direction. You can specify here 90. Okay, then you can do finish. This is our model. At the same here we have one more hole, that is this one. Okay, here we have position option 50 this one and middle of this one 125, 50 and diameter of the hole 50. Now you can go here, select this feature, go to sketch, control 8. Now you can place it here, dimension 50 diameter. Now you can check here to here 50. At the same time this point to here 125. Okay, now you can do finish. Okay, extrude cut again. Okay, now we completed our bottom place. We need to create like that. Okay, if you need to do, if you need to see like this, direct go to bottom, like side view. Okay, in this view here you can mention hidden lines, just you can see. Okay na? Like this type of condition, just see same na, but here we have center lines, here we don't have the line. That's it. Remaining all are same na. This is our model. Now you can go here, apply in 3D. Now we completed our bottom plate. Now we can try one more example. I'm deleting these all features. Just go here we have some examples. Go to this one. We need pattern examples only. See, I need to create this feature. This is also by using pattern we can create very easily. Just you can see, this is our model. In this model we have totally 275 length. Okay, this type of strips we have only 1 2 3 4 5 6, totally 6 strips is there, but this is 50 and this one is only 45. You can consider like. Okay, now I need to create complete length of the strip. Okay, this is 275 and this is 50. Now you can go to SolidWorks, select front plane sketch or top plane sketch. You can select this one, and already we know dimension 275. Okay, now you can go here and 50. Okay, then you can do okay. How much of thickness this one? 6 mm thickness. Now you can mention 6 mm. Extrude boss or base here 6 mm you can apply. Finish. Now we can select this one, go to sketch, Control 8. Now I need to draw this cutting portion. How can we draw? Okay, just you can see here, offset 5 5 5 5, totally 5 5 5, that is there. Okay, that condition what you do means, first of all you will take here convert entities. By using convert entity you can convert your line. Select this one, you can apply, finish. Okay, at the same time you can take convert entities, you can select this one, then you can do finish. Okay, now you will take offset, you can mention 5 here. Okay, that condition you can select this one. Okay, I need only single entity, not a entire. You can mention like this. Okay, after mentioning this one we need again here to here. How much? Already we know the distance. Okay, just go here. This is, this side we have 5 offset and this side we have 5 offset, means totally this is 40. Now you can consider totally 50 na. You can do minus 10, 40 you will get. Okay, then here you can mention 40. Select offset entities. Now you can mention 40 here. Select this one. Reverse. Then you can do finish. Again you can take one. Okay, that's it. Now you can delete remaining all lines. For example, I no need this line, I no need this line, I no need this line also. Okay, just you will take one line and here to here. Okay, at the same time here to here. Then you can take again offset. Okay, again 5. Okay, you can mention only one. Again offset, select this one, then okay, again offset 5, select this one, reverse, next, then okay. Now take trim. Here we have corners. Now you can take this corner, you can mention this one, this one, this four. Okay, now you can remove this line, at the same time this line also. Just you can observe this now. Here we have two portions. Now that's why you can take this one and you can apply it middle, this point to here. Now you can here offset 5 distance. Now 2.5 set, 2.5 this side. Now you can take offset 2.5 here, bidirectional, select your entity, then okay. Now remove this line. Okay, after removing, again go to trim. Okay, take corner, sorry, come back once. You can select inner portions too, trim entity, see now. Next, here we have some curved shapes. Just you can check this curved shape radius. We have radius. Now you can mention here radius too. You will take fillet. Where is our fillet? Okay, here you can take fillet, or otherwise you can apply 3D. That's not a problem, guys. Okay, then you can apply 3D also applicable. See, if you need a 2D, you can apply 2D also. That is your requirement. Now you can do finish. Now cut this one, extrude cut, finish. Okay. Next, after this one you can take next, that is linear pattern again. Okay, specify your one direction, that's it. Okay, how many entities we need? 5. Okay, each distance already we know 45. You can take 6 now, then you can do finish. See now. But only one difference, we need to mention this curved shape. How can we mention? By using this fillet you can mention, that is 2 radius. Now here you can mention 2 radius. You can select your edges. Same as well as you can select all. When you completed all operation, then you can use your fillet chamfers, guys. Just you can see now. Okay, like this you will get all features. Now you can apply for remaining also, same as well as this type. Now clear now up to here. Okay, now we can mention this one also easily. You can turn like this and you can select very easily that all edges. Finish now. See now. Okay, this is our model. Okay, if you need color for this model, you can apply same color also based on your requirement. Okay, which type of material and which type of color you have, you can apply same that type of color here. Okay, this is truss flange. This name of this component is truss flange. Okay, truss flange you consider. Okay, now clear now this one we completed. Now this one next you can go for circular pattern. First of all I will explain circular pattern simple way, next we go for complicated. For example, I am removing this one, I am deleting these all. Now understand now this one linear pattern, where we can apply that linear pattern. If you need to create duplicate holes, copy of holes, that type of situation you can use that one, copy of feature. You will take any feature, either solid feature or whole features like removed feature. You will take any feature, you can use this linear pattern like horizontal and vertical copying purpose only. Next, for example, I have one circular plate. In the circular plate we have 8 holes. For example, this is one of the flange. Okay, this flange diameter we have 140. Okay, at the same time this one is 85 you can take 60, not 85. At the same time this one also 120. Then you can do finish. Okay, extrude this one, 12 mm thickness this one. Okay, or otherwise you can remove this one, select, edit, delete directly this one, yes, finish now. This is our flange head. Now you can select this one, go to sketch, control 8. Now you can take here, I am taking bore 55. Okay, this is our bore, you can mention here 55 bore. At the same time here you can apply 12 mm. I am taking extra, means 55 plus 12 65 67. Okay, now you can extrude this one. Okay, not a 12 mm, you can increase some more guys. Okay, here I am taking 50 for example. Okay, this one but this sketch you can increase more, not at 12 mm, you will take 24. Okay, you can take 20 or 24 extra, means 55 plus 20 75 79. See, okay, now I need to remove this one. Just you can select this one, go here, actually revolve, that is easy process for this. Okay, now you can select this one, convert entity, select this one, then you can do finish. Okay, now extrude cut, where is our extrude cut, finish, then you can go to extrude cut, remove just 12 mm. See now, this is our bush. Okay, now I need to mention keyway at here. Just you can select this one, go here, control 8. Now you can mention this keyway. For example, here I am taking center rectangle, I need 6 by 12 by 6 keyway. Okay, 12 by 6 keyway purpose, you can mention 12 here and 6 here. This is our 12 by 6 keyway. Then you can do finish. Okay, extrude cut. Okay, I need up to last. That's why you can mention through all here. When you mention the through all, automatically removing all. This is our keyway. Okay, next here in ID, here I need circular pattern. You can select this one, go to sketch, control 8. Okay, now you can take one hole here, smart dimension, you can apply here. How much I need 8 mm hole, just. Okay, at the same time up to 79 means up to 40 we have already. Okay, this is 8 mm, 44 compulsory we need and 5 mm extra. You can take 49. This is our position, whole position. Now you can do finish. Okay, then you can do extrude cut. See, now you can select this extrude cut feature. Now we completed all and then go to here circular pattern. Okay, now you can select your circular edge. Here direction means you consider this circular edge, you can select directly, then you will get. Next here I need 6 holes for this flange. Okay, at the same time the 6 holes I need, each hole at 60 degree. Then you can do finish. Okay, this is our flange. Okay, this type of items or this type of models creation purpose you can use this one. Okay, clear now? This is simple way. This type of situations we are using circular pattern. Next you can select these features and remove. I will explain one more feature. Select this one, delete. Yes, now you can go here, we have one more model. This is also you can use circular feature, means circular pattern. How can we use means, first of all you need to prepare this one, this circle. Okay, just you can check here this circle diameter how much, 6 mm hole, that one. Okay, first of all we can create this 40 diameter and this 32 diameter. First we can create this one 40 diameter. Okay, and the thickness of this one is 6 mm. Now you can go to SolidWorks, front plane. I am taking one circle, that circle diameter we know already how much, 40. Now you can mention here 40. After mentioning, just you can do finish. Extrude boss or base, you can mention 6 mm now. Okay, next we need to create this feature. Okay, this is 32. At the same time here we have 4 height and radius of this one 23. Now create that feature. Go to here, select this one, go to sketch, control 8. Now you can take one circle, that circle diameter is 32. Okay, now one more line, just you can check the dimension, this line 4. Okay, now you can take one line, is there any angle for that, you can check once, 23 and a 60 angle is there. Okay, now you can take one line exactly this point to here. Okay, now you can mention dimension, select this one, this one, you can mention here 60 degree angle. Okay, now you can take one line, 3-point arc. Okay, now you can select this one also. Next you can apply exactly like this. See, now you can apply radius for this 23. Just you can check is okay or not. Okay, but this is wrong, we need to mention it here. Okay, just you can select this one, delete. Yes. Okay, next this one, Okay. Just you can see up to here. Okay na. Now you can draw one more, that one 32. Okay, how can you get this one? Means just you can go here, we have 32 diameter of the circle, reference circle. Okay, reference PCD you consider normal reference circle you consider. Okay, this dimension already we know 32. Based on this, here we have 4 height, this point to here we have gap. 32 means remaining 8 diameter na. 8 diameter means this side 4, this side 4. Next we know here 60-degree line up to here. Now you can mention 23 radius. Now you can take one line here to here, then you can take one more line. Now you can take smart dimension, select this one 60 degree. Okay. Now you can take one arc, 3-point arc, specify this one, you can mention like this. Okay, now you can mention dimension here 23 is diameter or radius, you can check once. Radius 20. Okay. And this is our 23 radius. Now you can check, we have same na. Just you can see. Now you can remove remaining options. Now you can check, we need up to this portion. Now you can remove this portion. Means directly you can remove this circle now directly, we no need that one. At the same time this line also you no need. Okay, just we need to remove this portion. That's why you can take convert entities. Now you can take one reference circle here, convert entity, this one, finish. Okay, now you can take trim corner, you can select this one, at the same time you will take one more line, or otherwise arc. Okay, then you can do finish. Now extrude cut, finish. Okay, we got this profile now. Okay. This feature you can do circular pattern, then you will get this model. Now you can select this one, go to circular pattern and select your edge reference. Okay, how much you need? I need 60 degree 6. Finish. Then you can see this is our cutter now. Now you can select this one, go here, Control 8. Here we have some features like a hole. That hole diameter is 6 diameter hole, completed through hole. But at the same time here we have diameter 12 mm hole, one more. Okay, 12 mm diameter hole, one depth. Here we have 6 mm diameter hole, through hole. Now you can take here. Okay, Control 8. Now you can create hole. First you can take 12 mm diameter, then do finish. How much we need? Just 1 mm. Extrude cut now. Now I can mention 1. Finish. Okay, then you can select again, sketch, Control 8. Now you can take one more circle, go here, smart dimension, select this one, apply 6 mm. Extrude cut through. Okay, at the same time here we have one more feature. What is that? Here X shaded, just you can see. This is also you consider 1 mm. 7 mm means here we have thickness 1 mm for this. Now you take one more circle, select this feature, sketch, control 8. Now you can take two circles here, here one, here one. Then you can take smart dimension, here you can apply 6, here you can apply 12. Then you can do finish. Okay, once you can this one, is it okay? Yes. Extrude boss or base, you can mention 1. See, now we completed our model. Okay, this type of condition you can use this one. This is called ratchet wheel. Okay, yeah. Next I need to apply color for this. Okay, now you can go here, appearance, go to appearances. Here we have a painted. I need to go painted, for example car paintings. You can take this red and you can apply for entire body. See now, like this. Same as well as if you need isometric view, you can go for like this. This is our model now. See, okay, you can have some light color, you will get same that one. Okay, this is, now we completed our two patterns, circular pattern, linear pattern. We are using mostly these two patterns, not a remaining. You can remember remaining we are using rarely, but these patterns we are using regularly. These two patterns and one more, that is sketch driven pattern. Okay, this sketch driven pattern we are using these three in companies. We know only remaining. Okay, next after this I am deleting this all feature, or otherwise you will practice